Namaste, this is Jyotsna Maure as an empowering life coach, healer, and counselor. Dear all, I am again coming with a 11 days workshop which is going to happen from 16th of October till 26th of October. Here you will learn many more things to regulate your health. In this workshop, I am going to specially concentrate on our health, physical and mental health, how to control, how to balance, how to feel happy, and many more things we are going to learn in this workshop. In this workshop, we are going to do different types of meditation at Brahma Murta 5 a.m. and you will also learn how to balance your chakras, which is going to help you to balance all emotions and much more things. If you want to learn, if you want to know more about it, how it will be going to happen, when it will be going to happen, and what exactly we are going to do. So for detailed information, kindly join my WhatsApp group. Link is given in the description box. You will get much more information. And let's join this 11 days workshop and make your life more and more beautiful and fit. So while you're waiting, join my WhatsApp group. Thank you.